No, I forgot to say too that by the way, I'm putting most of these files in the SPI 55 thing. Um, since it's sort of the continuity testers what set a lot of this shit off, including looking at that stupid oscillator thing. Is that it's a lot of these files are here, and a bunch of others mostly about the other little oscillator thing were mostly in these simple flyback drivers. I think you see all these. So just FYI. But at any rate, I was going to say, okay, well, I want to make a point, so I'll go back down to 10 ohms on that. Let's see. Okay, so you can see it charged up pretty quick over here. Well, we're not charged up yet, but I mean it's getting there. Okay, so if we dump it, it's like we saw before, it's a very short discharge period, right? And a very high voltage generated. Now let's try the situation where instead of it being like that, we go down to a lower impedance that we dump it into. Okay, so let's charge it up, and as you might guess, yeah, this will take longer to discharge than it took to charge, and it'll maintain that current curve longer too. Just see like how this is drawn out. It'll try to maintain it longer because it's doing it at a lower. It'll be doing it at a lower voltage, and that's what you're going to see. Is this will be considerably less. So now we're dumping it. You can see the current is certainly falling, but it's taking its time. It's nowhere near as it's going to take 10 times longer. You would think smaller resistor, oh, it'll be a lot quicker, but no, it's not. It'll take a lot longer, and the voltage is only half a volt. And keep in mind, one of the reasons we're getting like these 24 volts and half a volt and things, because I chose a 5-volt power supply. I should have based this off 10 volts. It would have been a lot more obvious. But at any rate, the point is that it'll kind of maintain that voltage for quite a while it's supplying that current. But the current continues to fall as the voltage will also fall. So but it takes a hell of a lot longer to do so, because you're basically spreading it out. So I guess these are the principles those joule thieves work under, now that you think about it, really, because I mean you're able to grab energy at one impedance level, okay, and then release it at a different impedance level, be a higher voltage, like we did with this being 1K, that was a substantial boost. Okay, or like we're doing here, a lower voltage, where it could draw it out longer. So, anyway, I just wanted to point that out. I forgot to state the obvious.